Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bella. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are stumbling by and this is the first time you've seen my videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you on my YouTube adventures. Anyways, as you can tell by the title of the video, this is a before and after of a teen girls room refresh. So we did film the before a few days ago, and then we got busy painting. So I am gonna turn the camera around and let you see the before and after. Okay guys, this is what you see when you enter my little girl's room, and we are just gonna get started getting ready to paint and redecorate this room. There, the lighting's kind of adjusted itself, looks a little bit better. So she's got that mirror there and it's facing the window, and this really nice painting that I got for her actually at Home Goods, or was it TJ Maxx? I can't remember, one of the two. And there's her bed, and it's really pink and really girly. And she loves Victoria's Secret. Oh my God, this girl loves it. And as you can tell, she's a cheerleader. She's got all her cheer stuff up. If you look up there, there's like a part of a pole for curtains hanging. She used to have teal curtains and she didn't like them anymore. She wanted to take them out. On that side there, you can see her little desk, and with the little stool and the two little shelves. I've already kind of stylized the shelves for her. And then if you look this way, you see her dresser and her mirror. I don't really care for that mirror. I think she should change it, but we'll see. And on this side, she just has like one of those rolled out chalkboards. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet, but I am going to move everything out of the room. And, oh, they can hear cars honking. And get to painting and just probably move some stuff around and maybe get some new stuff for her. So that is basically the overview of the before. Okay guys, so this is the after of the bedroom. So all the bedroom furniture, everything remained the same. The bedding remained the same. Her pillows are the same. And it's just the power of paint. And here is the biggest impact. I'm going to go close up so you can see it. We did this amazing marbleized wallpaper. It is so beautiful. It's actually silver and white, and it is so beautiful. I'm going to pan out so you can see it a little bit better. And we did that on this niche wall here. She's got like a little bench, a little window seat. She's got her Victoria's Secret towel, not towel, sorry, blanket. Some little storage boxes. She always keeps those. Actually, that's the little box moved. So over here, you could see her little vanity in her desk. She uses it for makeup vanity / desk, but most of the time she does homework downstairs in the kitchen. And here's her cute shelves. She's got some decorative objects there. A picture of her when she was little. That is her Mac Barbie doll and more. She loves to collect Victoria's Secret and Sephora bags. I don't know, that's just her thing. And here on her dresser, she's got her little camera, some towel. No, that's not some towels. Her camera, some candles. Those cute little picture frames we made in a DIY together. Perfume, and here's her other view, and there's her pretty mirror. I think so. We just moved the mirror actually from one side to the other because I thought it fit in better on this side. So yeah, there's the room. And oh, let me show you this. See that giant painting she's got has above her bed? I actually got that at TJ Maxx. It's an Oliver painting, and it was originally like $125. This thing is massive. And I don't know why. There's nothing wrong with it, but they had it on clearance for $40. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to give you a peek over here. Oh, that little cross there is my grandfather actually made that for me. And she had this cheerleader street sign on the other side, and there's 3 of her medals, and she just wants to fill that wall with cheerleader stuff. We were trying to DIY something for her bows, but didn't work out. So yeah, that is the room, and I think it looks amazing. Like, it turned out So good. Like the power of paint is unreal. Oh my God. In this lighting, you can really see the marbled silver and white wallpaper, and that's just the best part ever. So that's it for the tour, guys. Okay, guys, I hope you loved the tour just as much as we did. I think our room turned out amazing. I cannot believe the power of paint. Paint transforms anything into like magic. It's magic. The wallpaper was pretty easy to do. It took me just like just under an hour, just over an hour, around an hour, and it was so much fun to do. And I think it made a huge impact on her room. She loves her room. It feels brighter, it feels cleaner, it feels totally refreshed, and she really loves it. And I love doing videos like this for you guys. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you. Like, comment, and share. Give it a big thumbs up if you like this kind of video. And don't forget that we are leaving very, very soon. And we'll be vlogging our way down south, all the way from Canada to Florida. So keep tuned if you want to see that. We're going to bring you behind the scenes on a cheer competition that they are hosting at Disney. I think it's the UCA cheer competition. I'm not sure, but if you follow the vlogs, you will see. And yeah, and I want to wish everybody a great weekend. I don't know when you'll be watching this video, but bye YouTube. Bye everybody. Have an amazing weekend, and I will see you all very, very soon.